Alexander Mikolrait. I'm 22 years old. I'm a student at École Centrale Supélec. I'm from Grenoble. The Digital Tech Year was an opportunity that was given to me while I was in first year at Centrale. And at that time, the courses were very general. And so for me, who's always been interested in computer science, it was an opportunity for me to improve my technical skills in this area. The main benefit I get from these 6 months was agility and flexibility regarding 6 weeks projects with different customers. So a lot of improvement on these aspects. Another benefit I would say was working in small teams of 3 or 4 students. We assigned each other different tasks, but nothing was defined. We could take whatever we wanted. So that was very interesting, being self-reliant and working on these projects in a flexible environment. One key moment of this semester would be the first time we met our very first client. So we went to their offices and they presented us with their needs. And then we had a week to develop an idea, brainstorm, and come up with something that would suit their needs. That was very intense and very interesting. I keep a good memory of that period. What I expected from the first semester of the Digital Tech Year was to improve my technical skills myself and through particular coaching, and that has totally met with my expectations. Both working on the various technologies, either by learning on the internet or with coaches who use these technologies on a professional basis. So that was very interesting, and I'm very happy. What I expect from my internship in a tech startup abroad is to improve and confirm my skills in a professional environment. So the projects that we may have developed during the first months were quite flexible, and now it's time to really gain the professional rigor that is required when developing software for proper clients. So I'm going to spend the next 6 months in a startup in San Francisco. I chose to work in a startup because what I really enjoy is to change very quickly on the different work environments. It's also a chance to work both to discover the worlds of marketing or client relations. So I expect a lot more from a startup than from working in a specific team, development team in a big company. Compared to a usual gap year, the Digital Tech Year is very different. When some students would spend 2 times 6 months in a big company, we effectively do 3 small internships and then a real proper internship to put these skills into practice. So I would greatly recommend this program to a student who is looking for quick iterations and greater flexibility than spending 6 months in a large company. One of the greatest skills I get from these 6 months is to work very quickly with different teams on different projects, and I think that is a skill that is required today to move on with the technologies that are evolving, with the people, different cultures. So I will happily use this experience in my future job searches.